The Coyotes jersey.
This is sponsored by the ROTC in Apache Junction.
Okay, the Coyotes jersey, is that Ian or is that Jan? What do you think? It looks like Ian to me too. And then what?
And they have the raffles if you buy raffle tickets.
Right, but that's okay. We still appreciate the $15. Okay, hold. Oh, wow. Okay. They stole this Coyote jersey. It was starting at 50, and they got it.
We're at the RV Auto Show in Apache Junction.
Oh, Minolta.
Okay, let's go down here. They got food trucks.
Oh my. Look at that out. Is that it? No.
Lemonade, delicious. Cold ice.
Okay, guys.
Making you feel like a real king, right?
There's a goat, I think. Nature's Wonders parking only.
So some of you might be asking yourselves, why is there this big crowd standing behind the DJ? What are they all out here for?
That's a Bel Air.
It's the 50-50.
That's a Dutch start.
It benefits the junior ROTC.
I forgot what year it is.
Somebody's walking away with a
See that?
cash. So go get some of those 50.
Come on, look at the engine.
Check out the silent auction. Lots of goodies there at some cool clothing.
There you go. Now there's some muscle there. They ain't no chunky Toyota that can run with a crap.
Not a little 6-cylinder or 4-bagger.
I know what it is. Look at that one.
Dodge Viper.
All right.
Famous race car.
Okay.
And drag. That's like one of my dream cars.
Okay, there's the Chevelle there, the SS Super Sport. I think I forgot the mouse. Let's go look at that Dodge up there again. Or we'll see on the way back.
Dodge Viper.
There we go. 454. With a Holly on it. They ruined everything.
You want to turn the camera around?
Oh, that's a classic right there. Lincoln Continental. Suicide Doors 462. That thing will run the piss out of everything. I could take that to NASCAR next weekend and compete.
And it has white walls.
These are called suicide doors. Because what happened was the suicide doors, when you, if you were passing, you got out, and because you couldn't see, car come in and hit you. And when that door hit you, you're dead as a bird. That's why they call suicide doors.
It has mint condition white walls on it.
Alright, okay, let's go up here.
Chevrolet Bel Air.
Yeah, you got to get close to the camera talking. I'll let you do the talking. There's another Chevy. Allen, Brock, and Hollies. What a way to run a good engine.
This is a Chevrolet Bel Air.
I could make a quadra-jet run faster than that. That's a waste of money. There we go. There's another one. Well, the Brock. Another Chevy. That must be the city section here. Another Bel Air. Alden, Brock, and Hollies. Yeah, this is the old one.
50 to 59.
D28 Camaro. This ain't stock either. Sorry about that, but I'm used to vehicles being stock engines. Well, that's more stock. You look like he's been driving it. I had a friend of mine that had one of these.
1969.
Yep.
1969.
I blew his doors off with a Ford.
Because of the diamond?
Like Galaxy 500 with a 352 engine. I blew the Camara's doors out. And I fixed that engine myself.
Wow.
Does it really?
Ah, there's one.
Look at this chunk of history.
Yep.
Another Chevrolet Bel Air. How many are there?
Well, there's a whole lot of Chevys.
Rocket Indian. Rocket Kit.
Ah, this is too new. There we go. What we got here?
This is a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. These are expensive.
There we go. Now we're getting my type of cars.
But I had to go to work.
Amazing.
Y'all you can get in it.
There's a gas tank.
Stop. Hey, that's the sound of
Last call for the raffle! Drink this, Bill Bob. I gotta go.
There's another Chevy.
raffle.
Trucks.
That might start all over again. No. You know,
Nice matte orange.
What's that?
So this is a nice
Yeah.
matte orange.
Okay. There's a go. That's a hot rod there.
Classic.
32 Ford Roadster.
Okay, how many Bel Airs are there here? 1949. For sale, $505.
I ain't no $500.
Look.
That cost to buy it back in them days.
Oh. That was cheap.
There's another Chevy.
I like this combo.
Yeah, that's a nice pretty little Chevy. Now you gotta watch it with the camera there.
Hammer, get the trophy. If you can remember.
There's another El Camino.
Ellie. Another old one. 1932 Ford Roadster.
No, this is the El Camino. We'll do the El Camino
I'm
first.
looking at the other side.
Where? I mean, yeah. There you go.
1932 Ford Roadster.
Come here.
Oh, hi there, puppy.
Come here.
That's a mascot right there. You want some good car shows, you come down here to Arizona. They're all over the place.
Especially the pavilions if you're in.
Now that's a process of work. Hey, it's got a GM carburetor. That's got an original on it. Holy moly. Hasn't done restoring it yet. It's a Daytona. Okay.
There's a bee on your hat.
Oh, okay, where? Okay.
WSS. Ooh, Nova.
That's a Harley there. There's a Super Sport. Chevelle Super Sport. There's a Chevelle Super Sport,
Oh, I can
and there's
see
a
that.
Camaro Super Sport. Okay. Let's go down this way. There's a Nova.
Nova. My favorite years.
60, 69 Nova.
Yep. One of my favorite years.
There's a tracker.
That is way too big.
Well, yeah, he had it repainted, had it redone.
That.
That one? Oh, yeah, we ain't worried about it. There you go. There's a Malibu.
I thought I was an Oak. Yep, Malibu.
There's a Chevrolet Bel Air.
How many Bel Airs are there here?
You ever tell you a secret? You know why you see all kinds of Chevrolets?
Is they reliable?
Because anybody can work on it. If you want to be a real mechanic, you want a Ford. They're the easiest vehicle to work on.
Camaro.
You don't even have to be a professional mechanic. Ah, there we are. We're getting some truck section.
We're gonna do this together. We're gonna figure this out together, and we're gonna have some fun together. So that's the plan, Stan.
I'm all
Okay,
of these.
if you are
Either one
here,
of those or
then come to the DJ booth. That's the gray tent, and we're gonna shuttle this over.
There's the
So
one
then it goes
that's
to
in the process.
action table. So now you're not ready. Okay, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to Ginger. Hi, Ginger! We're ready. Ginger's ready. I love you just the same, but Ginger's ready, so we're going with Ginger.
Plymouth.
David Baskett, you have just won
Plymouth Coupe.
a COVID basket.
Ah, look like you got a brand new engine in it.
I got it. David
That's a
Young
cheater.
has just got the COVID basket.
There's an old U.S. Navy Chrysler.
A second COVID basket.
They're using the military. Mustang General.
By Dr. Smith. A likely name. Dr. Smith, thank you very much for participating in the silent auction. Just head on over to the silent auction table. That's
Okay,
Dr.
let's
Smith
get the
and
Trans
David
Am
Young.
here.
They both
Trans
have COVID. No, they both get
This
COVID
is
baskets.
70, I think.
Yep.
This is the kids' craft basket, Joanne Peterson. For $10, Joanne, I'll tell you, you're a winner.
There's another
Everybody
Trans
liked
Am.
this American flag. I got to tell you, it was really, really attractive. The American flag. I won't tell you that Gary, David, Pat, and Glenn, you got outbid, but you did.
There you go.
Junior Porter, or J.R. Porter, you just got the flag. And I'm going to say it, $65 for a priceless flag. A beautiful piece of art. I thought you'd never ask. Thank you very much, sir. Just head on over to the silent auction table. If your bid is the name I called, then you are walking away as soon as you pay.
Now, see, this one needed a drink. Needed to have
All
a
right,
drink.
this is for the Neaters gift basket. Dr.
Show 'em that
Smith,
engine.
thank you for your participation. Second time today. I hope your
Which one
budget's
is
checked
it,
out.
LaSalle?
Dr. Smith for
What?
the
LaSalle.
Neaters basket.
LaSalle.
Now, this was also another hot ticket item. I got to tell you, this was beautiful. It's a quilt. We called it the car quilt, but that's okay. It looks like Ron. Is it Corona? What?
Yes,
Yes,
Oh,
you'll go
there's
on the
another
date with me. That's
Corvette.
wonderful. What's your name? I should at least know your name.
my name's Ronnie.
Ronnie, help me, Ronnie. Help me, Ronnie. Well,
There's
is it
another
Ronnie or is it
old
Ronnie?
Corvette. That's the old Corvette. That's like a
You asked
58.
Okay. This is
owner
for the
must have
wing.
stored it.
Is it wing? Orthodontic basket? Okay, Dr. Smith, once again, what a guy. Are you Dr. Smith? You are our best friend. And by the way, you can stay because you match the tent. Thank you very much, Doctor. We appreciate your patronage. Okay. Oh my God. It's a good thing you're here, Ronnie. This is 130 piece. The Coyotes jersey.
This is sponsored by the ROTC in Apache Junction.
Okay, the Coyotes jersey, is that Ian or is that Jan? What do you think? It looks like Ian to me too. And then what?
And it has the raffles, if you buy raffle tickets.
Right, but that's okay. We still appreciate the $15. Oh, wait, hold. Oh, wow.
Okay.
They stole this Coyote jersey. It was starting at 50, and they got it for 15. So Ian, don't. This is cool.
Alright, this is always cheap.
on this, and then all of a sudden it got hot because there's like 3-4 names here. What are
Two
the arrows
wheelers cheap.
for?
Oh, that's a Ford one. That's a Willie.
Vera
The
wants
other
to make
one's
sure
a
she
Ford.
didn't get outbid. I got it. Vera Forrest from the trees. Vera, congratulations. You got the
I
card
wonder
kit.
what I would do if I owned both of those.
White Horse Picture. You know, there was a song in the 80s called Ride the White Horse.
Some kind of a crane.
We're not going there. Okay.
Yeah,
White Horse
this
Picture,
was
congratulations
one of the
to
trucks that was
Don.
used to move
It
vehicles
looks like
with
Don
White
McLean
Horse.
from,
Okay.
American Pie, but it's not. It's Don Mechanic or something.
There's
What is
an,
that?
there you go. Now we're talking
Meet
some
you.
money. Now we got in the good
Thank you,
stuff. We
Don.
got
That's okay.
into the
Hey,
Fords.
I'm here for the humor.
Look at that roaster there.
Listen to them. They're just rolling in their seats. Okay. Youth Golf Club set. Don Meacham. I know how to pronounce his name now. All right. Thank you, Don. We appreciate your help.
Hey, it
What's
looks
this?
like I found my lost long brother.
Sizes. One size fits all. No, but you're going to walk me through this. Oh, this is a Navy, the Navy gear and hat. I don't need to know what the PT stands for. Okay, so the Navy
It's
gear
all
and hat,
Cadillac
the
engine.
large goes to Don Collins,
It was
and that's a
used to move
DAWA.
cargo.
There you go.
Thank you very much, Don Collins.
It was
You
used
get,
to
oh,
move
that's you,
cargo.
Don.
50
You're on.
pounds.
Then the extra large, which Don does not need, goes to Don Meacham. Thank you very much, Don. Whoa, look at you, Don. You are a man. Okay, and then this one we won't talk about.
This
No,
is
wait.
The
there's
World
more.
War II.
Oh, okay, let's do the
I've
route. We
always
can't do it from there. We
wanted
gotta do it
to
from
see one
here.
of these things
So what do
in
you got?
person.
Here we go. This is the route.
Look at that.
I'll hold it. Okay. Don't peek. Just grab a number, sir. They're different colors, so I don't want you to see.
Compare me to
Gotta
this
make this
tire
fair.
puppy.
All right.
Puppy.
And the number
This thing is
is
almost as big as me.
He wants to be compared to the tire. That's the tire in this big
3,
truck.
7, 1,
Almost
7,
as big as
9,
I'm bigger than
6,
this tire.
and it's a
This
purple
tire's
number.
almost as big as me.
Yep.
Is that
It's like 5
purple?
feet tall.
1, 7,
There's
9,
Benson.
6.
Sitting next
Oh,
to the truck.
pretty
He
lady,
always
no, I
wanted
think
to
it's
see
a
one of
okay.
these.
Okay, it's both.
Well,
AK-47 in there too.
huh?
So I think there's an AK-47 in there.
All right,
AK-40.
this is the school bus birdhouse. Yes, sir. Step into my office. I answer all
See how
questions,
there's
and I
that
promise I lie.
Yeah.
circle up there? That's where a machine gun
Are
would
you
go.
done, Meacham?
Yeah.
Oh, moving along. Here we
That's
go.
7x2. There you go. Somebody's taking a ride here.
We're running around with some visors that say Trump on it. Okay. Oh, this one has a name. Thank you.
Oh,
Nancy.
yes.
But I'm going to give you a number.
Now we're talking some money.
The number is 371776.
Need some little TLC.
From Square.
Surprised we haven't seen the Dodge Daytona here yet.
I had one of these. That's the one I beat the Camaro Super Sport with.
Okay. This is mine. Starbucks coffee. Starbucks coffee.
Oh my gosh. There's another one.
Go ahead, take it. One at a time, okay?
That don't look like no 352 in
That
it.
does not look like
It might be. Might be a 351 or 390. I don't think it's a 352.
9, 5.
Work in progress.
The girl writing down the numbers, she's got coffee. Okay, congratulations.
I'm scared of the Bel-Air.
Okay, that's a Ford truck.
Shouldn't be here.
That's an old Ford truck. I don't know what year that is. Let's see if we can find
Number
something.
2 of the 3 big O's. 3, 7, 1, 7, 9, 3. All right. And number 3 of the big O's. 3, 7, 1, 7, 9.
1949. This is what year it is.
I heard you say
1949.
so it was a good year for wine, but we'll see if we can get you a winner out of that number. Okay, what are we giving away now?
They
Hey,
found
the
it
DJ,
on
how about
or
it?
something.
Huh?
Actually, this is,
Yeah.
this is 18-hole
Barrel
golf for
steering.
I see that.
Spring Valley
That's a
Golf Course.
Chrysler Plymouth Javelin.
Yeah.
At one time they had one that was fast.
And this one was full. We have a lot of golfers in the house.
Now this is one heck of a car. It's a Cobra. GT350 Cobra. At one time this was the fastest car in the world. Now that's a pretty little thing.
Shelby design?
Yeah, it's a Shelby. That's a set and Shelby.
3, 7, 1, 5, 7, 6.
I want to apologize for my shaking, just in case it doesn't come out that good.
Okay, here we go. What do you got?
Trying to walk, I haven't learned this camera yet.
The Plaza Barbershop. 1 free haircut.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you a secret about this car.
What?
I have 4 of them. I made them into race cars. Took a torch to them, made it a race car, and wrecked them. Now, if I would have kept it, I would have been a millionaire.
Should have.
Well, in them days, you can buy them real cheap.
Sir, if you keep pointing like that, I'll play some disco for you. Okay. What do we have next?
That must have been fun to drive here.
More Trans Ams. Okay, let's see if we can get this over with. There's an old flatbed truck.
That's
Military
not a flatbed,
truck.
That's a trailer.
Well, flatbed trailer truck. There you go. There's that old truck.
You have more than one here, you're in trouble. 3, 7, don't interrupt her. 1, 6, 9, 5.
Yeah, let's see, let me back up. I'm gonna see if I run into something. Now I can get the whole thing. There we go.
Italian. Alright, pick 2. Everybody wants one of these. It must be a popular spot. Rosati.
There's an old one.
I don't know. Pink ticket, of course. 3, 7, 1, 5. Going to Rosadas.
That's the original engine.
She's like, not. Second number.
It's a Ford.
3, 7, 1, 7, 9, 8. Thank you and congratulations to all of the winners, to the raffles, and the
Now that's a car seat.
Are we running like a special on these t-shirts and tank tops and stuff? 3, any 3 for $10 right now. Okay, wait, for you special, 4, any 4 items on these clothes racks. There's, really 4 for 5? She wants to give, all right, any 4.
Here's an old Dodge Dart. I don't know if I took pictures earlier, but I don't know if I'm still there or not. That's an old Dodge Dart, Canadian. I don't know if I took it off earlier or not.
Is this your Viper? Oh man, I bet you have a lot of fun in that.
And that's a Viper.
Top them off too?
Okay, let's pan all the way close by.
Oh, I am. one says it's from Alberta.
I'm just standing around to see.
Yeah.
Well, folks, that's the Apache Junction ROTC car show. I hope you enjoyed the video and
But I moved down
subscribe.
here, right back.
If you like, make comments. And we'll see you down the road. Take care, everybody. Bye.